If you have a go-kart hoverboard kit like we do, you know that the straps wear out quite quickly or they don't hold your board tight enough. So today I'm going to show you another solution. It's a double loop triple Velcro setup. It's going to hold your board tighter. You're never going to have to replace these again. It's almost the same price as the replacement straps. So let's get into the video.
Alright, so I just want to show you how to put these straps on because they are very complicated and they do not come with a manual. And I figured out the best method. So you basically have two straps on this side and then you have two straps on that side. The first thing you want to do is you want to take the middle strap, well, it's really on the middle, on both sides, and feed it through your first metal loop like this until you get out here. And then this is going to get attached to the Velcro right here on the center. Just attach it all the way onto that Velcro. Got it. All right. Next, the center one, we pull through here in the front now, again through the same metal loop. This time we're going to just pull it and tighten it back this way, and we're going to go back over this. On this side, we have the center ones. The same thing. We go through here, pull this, and then you just tighten this back and go into the center. And then finally, we have the big long strap that's on the outside. For the way I do this one is I go through again here, over top, and then I come out here and I really take this, pull it, and then I tighten it right here. There we go. And that's it. That's what you do. So you have double protection on both sides. This way, they're not going to wear out as quickly as if you just had one. This is basically a double, and it's got a very thick base at the bottom. So let's go ride this thing. So here is our Real Motion scooter. Now we turn on. Right, so if you have too much weight distributed on one side, it may just pull itself backwards. So let's go sit down and test it out. I will say about the wheel motion, well, it's awesome, is that sometimes depending on the hoverboard, you will not be able to turn it off because the pressure being applied to the hoverboard with the straps is going to be too much, so the hoverboard is going to think there's somebody on it, so therefore it's not going to let it to be turned off. But besides that, super fun little gadgets.